Pixar toys. Wow. Jackson Storm.
I think I touched a nerve.
Okay, Storm. Okay. Go! Oh, okay, nice. Next car. Oh, this is Tech.
Thanks, Tex. I made that stolen fella a Texas-size offer.
Wow. Okay, Tech. Go! Oh, nice. Oh. Floor.
Ooh, Ramon, Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
Wow. Okay, Flo. Go. Oh. Wow. This is Ramon.
Maybe gold flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Oh, honey, look.
Okay, Ramon. Go. Oh, nice. Next car. Wow. This is dog.
Whoa, how long is this gonna take?
Well, fella does it right, should take him about 5 days.
5 days?
Wow. Okay, dog. Wow. Let's go. Oh, nice. Wow. This is Pablo's Lightning McQueen. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Bobby Suarez. Okay, Bobby. Go. Oh. Axel Roa.
Sir Axelrod, I'm sorry to interrupt. No, it's all right. Look, I just wanted to come down here and to personally thank you because...
Wow. Okay. Go. Oh, nice. Next car. Wow. Super Lightning McQueen. Okay. Go. Oh, nice. Next car. Oh, tomato. Okay, meter. Go. Oh. Wow. Lightning McQueen.
Protective swerve.
Okay, McQueen. Oh, let's go. Oh, nice. Next car. Okay. Okay. Whoa! Wow. Super tomato. Okay, meter. Winner meter, go! Oh, go! Yes. Wow. This is Sheriff.
What did I tell you about talking to the accused?
To not to.
Wow. Okay, Sheriff. Let's go! Aha. Nice. Wow, next car. This is Smokey.
All right, Guido, turn up the heat. Okay. Whoa!
Okay, Smokey. Let's go! Oh, nice. Next car. Wow, this is red. Wow. Get it? Whoa! Oh, yeah, nice. Wow, this is holy. Okay, holy. Whoa! Oh, nice. Next card. Wow. This is Filmar.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies, man.
Okay. Filmar, go! Oh, nice. Oh, wow, wow. This is McMissile. Wow. Okay. Whoa! Yeah, nice. Wow. Wow, wow. This is solid.
But how did you?
Ray siphoned your gas while you were passed out. Ka-chow.
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, solid. Go! Oh, nice.